Hello everyone, welcome to my second video. This is FSHN 101 here at UIUC, and my name is Lexi Jensen. So before we start, what is FSHN 101? It is one of the classes that U of I allows all students to take, and it means the science of food and how it relates to you. So we'll talk about the chemistry and what happens to the food while you're eating it, while you're consuming it, and preparing it. So today we will be talking about 5 scientific concepts: the Maillard reaction, caramelization, enzymatic browning, microbial activity in eggs, specifically targeting raw cookie dough, and finally, fermentation. So, for the Maillard reaction, what is it? The Maillard reaction is just a type of non-enzymatic browning that happens when all your amino acids and your reducing sugars interact under heat. This process develops complex flavors and appealing aromas, giving foods like seared steaks, your fried items, and all of your baked goods their signature brown color and savory taste. This usually occurs around the 140 to 165 degrees Celsius range. This elevates the taste, aroma, and the appearance of all your foods. Here are a couple examples of the Maillard reaction, especially in your steaks and the different tones and colors in your marshmallows and toast, and you can also find this in different beers you drink or your coffee bean roasts. The second scientific concept is caramelization. Caramelization is a chemical process where your sugar is heated up, causing it to break down and form new compounds, resulting in your golden brown color and a rich, complex flavor. It's another form of browning foods. It's strictly for sugars. It breaks down sucrose into glucose and fructose, and it's the formation of distinct sugary aromas and flavors. And there's also many different levels of caramelization. The third topic we'll talk about is enzymatic browning, which is a process in food science where your enzymes interact with your oxygen and your phenolenic compounds found in your fruits or your veggies. This reaction also results in the development of brown pigments such as melanin, and it commonly occurs when your produce is cut or it's bruised or damaged, allowing the enzymes to come into contact with air. It requires enzymes to proceed. It results in negative effects in your color, your taste, or your nutritional value, but there is an exception wherein tea leaves because it promotes the flavor. Our fourth concept is microbial activity in eggs. So in eggs there is a thing called salmonella. It's present on the inside and the outside of the egg. It can enter through the pores on the shell, or it can just stay on the outside, and about 1 in every 20,000 eggs are contaminated with salmonella. So, why talk about cookie dough? Raw cookie dough is made from unpasteurized eggs that can contain salmonella and other bacteria that can cause illnesses such as diarrhea, your stomach pains or cramps, high fever, nausea and vomiting, or a very severe headache. And finally, the last scientific concept that we'll cover in this video is fermentation. So fermentation is just a natural process in which your microorganisms, such as your yeast or your bacteria, are going to break down all the carbohydrates like sugars and starches into substances such as alcohol, acids, or even gases, without the presence of oxygen. So this process serves many purposes, including preserving your food, creating products like your yogurt, your cheese, your bread, or even your wine, and even contributes to the development of some medications. So to sum that all up, it's a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substrates through enzymatic activity. Another benefit is where it prolongs the shelf life of food, and it can kill off E. coli, making this all safe to eat raw. Thank you for staying till the end of the video and learning just some scientific concepts about FSHN 101 here at U of I.